Hello everyone, today we are going to review Canon ES 24mm f2.8 STM lens. It is a wide-angle lens for Canon APS-C cameras, which is equivalent to 38mm on a full-frame camera. Offers an ultra-slim and lightweight design. It is the slimmest and lightest lens of ES series. We all know that capturing the moments of today that will wow your heart tomorrow. Sometimes you will never know the true value of a moment until it becomes a memory. So who does not want to capture the moment they are living in? So to enhance your photography experience, today we are introducing you this lens. Because we all love to capture great photographs to live the moments again and again. So now let's first unbox this, and after that we will talk about the features and specifications of EOS 24mm lens. STM is written here. So what STM actually means? STM means that stepping motor which supports the Canon ES movie servo autofocus function to provide you smooth and quite continuous autofocus during video recording and as well as when shooting photos. It delivers outstanding image quality and excellent low light performance, and aspheric lens element helps you achieve a high level of image quality from a center of the periphery. The EFS 24mm f2.8 STM excels during movie shooting and thanks to its STM motor that enables the silent and smooth focus tracking, plus a micro stepping drive that keeps aperture changing quiet. The lens offers full-time manual focus, manual AF adjustment, and can also focus down to a minimum distance of 0.5 feet. Delivering optical brilliance in a lightweight and unobtrusive construction, the EFS 24mm f2.8 STM is a great fixed optical length lens for photographers looking to add a travel-friendly option to their collection. So we used this 24mm lens with our EOS and our experience is just fabulous. Its autofocus is super fast. This lens works average for wide-angle shots, great quality images, great in low light. Okay, so this is what we shoot with our 24mm lens. Just give it a look. So this is all about this 24mm lens. If you liked this video, then hit the like button and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more upcoming amazing videos. Hope it will fill all your needs that you wanted to shoot with your camera. So this is Divya from Tegonity product reviews. Soon we will be back with some more product reviews like this. Till then, take care. Goodbye.